So far so good, smooth sailing according to Nauticus Robotics, an autonomous subsea robotics and software company. They announced an excellent start to the 2025 offshore season. For the first quarter of the operating season, they were pleased to reaffirm combining with SeaTrepid to form a company capable of executing traditional remotely operated vehicle ROV work while simultaneously moving the industry into autonomy. During the second quarter, Nauticus ROVs completed projects for 6 different customers, including support for the wind industry along the U.S. East Coast and for the energy sector along the U.S. Gulf Coast. The company is looking forward to initiating Aquanaut revenue for 2025 in the third quarter, reflecting its continued progress in deploying its flagship underwater vehicle. According to John Gibson, CEO and president of Nauticus Robotics, the company is on track to achieve record-breaking revenue and technological milestones in 2025. The year-over-year reduction in customer concentration demonstrates strong growth in market adoption and diversification. Nauticus is filling the remainder of the 2025 pipeline with current and new customers in multiple offshore industries, and discussions confirm market acceptance of the combined offering of an ROV and the Aquanaut vehicle. Expectations are that the second half of 2025 will increase excitement and exposure to its offerings, with customers eager to witness the capabilities of the Aquanaut vehicle, which is anticipated to execute projects at ultra-deep water depths of up to 2,200 meters by the end of the summer, marking the first revenue for the vehicle at these depths. For more on stocks and crypto, follow Ascencore. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.